Prawns Pulao is a fragrant and mildly spiced rice dish cooked with succulent prawns, aromatic, whole spices, and a rich blend of ginger garlic paste. Soft chunks of potato and juicy tomatoes add texture and heartiness, while creamy coconut milk enhances the flavour with a subtle sweetness. Perfectly paired with plain raita or a tangy pickle, this pulao is a wholesome and satisfying meal. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Prawns Pulao. Heat up pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon pure ghee. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. Sauté well. 2 onions chopped. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds. 2 to 3 pinches asafoetida. 4 to 5 curry leaves. 3 green chilies halves. Salt to taste. Sauté well. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander green chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Roast well until rawness goes away. Add 1 teaspoon spring onion chopped, 2 large potatoes, half capsicum chopped, 1 chopped tomato, sauté for a minute or so. At this point, add all the masalas. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 sachet of Maggi masala, roast well. Add prawns. Combine well. Add 1 cup coconut milk. Add water. Combine well. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Add soaked 500 grams rice. Add require water. Mix everything well. Dries out the water. Cover and cook on low flame 15 to 20 minutes. Add coriander leaves, it's totally optional. Cover and cook 5 to 7 minutes. Our delicious prawns pulao is ready to enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.